report an incident, please press 1. If you know the extension you are trying to reach, you can enter it at any time. Press 0 or stay on the line. Please wait while I transfer your call.
Hey! Are you sexual predators? Hey! Are you sexual predators? You're sexual predators! Hey!
Savage Police Switchboard, can I help you?
Dial 1 for assistance, predator.
I'll forward you over to the report. Just one moment. Please report desk.
I'd like to report a sexual predator.
Okay, and why do you believe they're a predator? What's going on?
Well, they're in the building, right? They tried to enter my room without my consent, and it's at my building.
Can you get me on speakerphone? I can barely hear
Well, I'm
you.
sorry. It's hard enough to hear you two, right, babe? You know where I am. You got my number, right? They're preying on me. That's unfair.
Actually,
No, that's wrong. That's wrong. Don't challenge me.